hello, welcome to Vidya Vedam. This is Nitya. Yesterday we have discussed about sense organs, and today we will do all important MCQs on sense organ. So now let us begin. The first question, eustachian tube is first option connect nasopharynx with middle ear, cause vibration, perilimb surrounding the ear ossicles. Third one induces vibration in tympan, and fourth one conducts sound wave from the auditory meatus to the internal. So eustachian tube is part of outer ear. So it connect with nasopharynx with the middle ear. So first option is the correct answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, identify the anvil shaped ear ossicles. First one stapes, second one incus, third one malleus, and fourth one otolith. Anvil, malleus, stapes are the three ossicles, that is three bones of our middle ear. An anvil shaped ear ossicle is incus. So the correct answer is option 2, incus. Cataract is due to first one damage of retina, and third one deposition of proteins on cornea, deposition of proteins on lens, fourth option irregular curvature of retina. Cataract is due to deposition of protein on lens. Okay, it's due to deposition of proteins on lens. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, nutrition to the crystalline lens of the eye provided by first option aqueous humor, second option vitreous humor, option 3 both 1 and 2, fourth one ciliary muscles. So nutrition to the crystalline lens of the eye provided by aqueous humor. Option 1 is the correct answer. Fifth question, glaucoma is due to first option elongation of the eyeball, option 2 shortening of the eyeball, option 3 increases in intraocular pressure, option 4 drainage of the aqueous humor into the canal of Schlemm. The eye diseases due to the increased pressure in the eyeball is glaucoma. So option 3 is the correct answer, increase the intraocular pressure. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, which part of the ear is responsible for hearing? Option 1 cochlea, option 2 utricle, option 3 saccule, option 4 semicircular duct. So option 1 is the correct answer, cochlea is responsible for hearing. Next question, sensory neurons of a vertebrate retina are its first one rods and cones, option 2 ganglion cells, option 3 amacrine cells, option 4 bipolar cell. Sensory neurons of vertebrate retina are its rod and cone cell. Okay, retina consists rod and cone cells. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question, a person 55 years plus cannot see the near objects. The defect is first option myopia, second option hypermetropia, third option presbyopia, and fourth option astigmatism. The correct answer is option 3, presbyopia. Next question, in retina yellow spot contains first option rods and cones, option 2 rod only, third option cones only, and fourth option none of these. The option 3 is the correct answer, cone cell are present in yellow spot. Next question, a person who cannot see the near object clearly is likely to use first option convex lens, option 2 concave lens, option 3 bifocal lens, option 4 is cylindrical lens. A person who cannot see the near objects clearly means it's a long sight or hypermetropia. It can be corrected with convex lens. So option 1 is the correct answer. Next one, tear from eye is drained into option 1 oral cavity, option 2 nasal cavity, option 3 ear, option 4 maxillary sinus. So option 2 is the correct answer. Nasal cavity. Tear from eye is drained into nasal cavity. Next question, long sightedness is caused by shortening the eyeball, option 2 decreasing the focal length, option 3 enlargement of eyeball, and fourth one no change in focal length. So long sight is caused by shortening the eyeball, so option 1 is the correct answer. The next question, the enzyme that is present in tear is option 1 lysozyme, option 2 pectin, option 3 amylase, option 4 lipase. So the enzyme present in tear is lysozyme. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next one, cochlea is mainly responsible for balance only, option 2 hearing only, both balance and hearing, and fourth one perception of color. Cochlea is mainly responsible for hearing only, so option 2 is the correct answer. Short-sightedness or myopic vision is corrected by wearing first option convex lens, option 2 concave lens, option 3 convex mirror, and option 4 cylindrical lens. So myopia can be corrected with concave lens, so option 1 is the correct answer. Sorry, option 1 is not option 1, option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. So myopia can be corrected with concave lens. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, the focusing of lens is done by first one ciliary muscle, option 2 iris, option 3 pupil, option 4 sclera. The focal length of the lens is adjusted by ciliary muscle, so option 1 is the correct answer. It is focal length, focusing of lens adjusted by ciliary muscles. Next question, largest sense organ. First option skin, second option nose, option 3 ear, and option 4 is eye. So the largest sense organ is skin. Option 1 is the correct answer, and it is also largest organ in a human body. Next question, which cell is used to see color? Option 1 rod cells, option 2 cone cell, option 3 iris, option 4 pupil. So correct answer is cone cells, and it is responsible for bright light vision and color vision. So cone cell is responsible for color seeing. So option 2 is the correct answer, cone cells. Next one, yellow spot is found in option 1 cone, option 2 rods, option 3 retina, and option 4 is choroid. Yellow spot is found in retina, option 1. Option 3 is the correct answer. It is found in retina. The anterior transparent part of the eye is first one pupil, option 2 conjunctiva, option 3 cornea, option 4 sclera. The anterior transparent part of the eye is cornea. Option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, the nerve which is responsible for the vision is option 1 olfactory, option 2 is facial, option 3 is optic, option 4 is acoustic. So option 3 is the correct answer, optic. It's related to eye. So optic nerve, and it is responsible for the vision. So option 3 is the correct answer. The light rays entering the eye is controlled by first one pupil, option 2 iris, option 3 cornea, option 4 is lens. So option 1 is the correct answer. Pupil. Which muscle is helpful in changing the shape of the eye lens? Option 1 is round ligament, option 2 broad ligament, option 3 suspensory ligament, option 4 none of these. Option 4 none of these. Next question, size of pupil varies between option 1 3 to 5 mm, option 2 2 to 6 mm, option 3 1.5 to 8 mm, fourth option 1 to 10 mm. The size of pupil varies between 1.5 to 8 mm. So option 3 is the correct answer. Next question, retina in eyes act as a option 1 lens in the camera, option 2 shutter in the camera, option 3 film in the camera, and fourth one none of this. So retina it's act like a film in the camera. Okay, retina in eyes act like a film in a camera. So option 3 is the correct answer. These are the important MCQs on sense organs. Okay,